Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put b over 3 cone here and here, you got about number 0 in here. 1 minus number 2 with 1 over 2, you got about 0 in here. So we have about 0 over 0. We can apply about L hospital. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. First derivative of sine 3x, you got about 3 cosine 3x. First derivative of 1 minus 2 cosine x, you got about positive number 2 sine x. So because first derivative of negative cosine x, you got about sine x. First derivative of number 1, you got about 0. That's why you got about 2 sine x. Later that we put b over 3 cone here. And we got the final answer. That is about negative the square root of number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.